So this is my project for CS621B, and I made an Acorn game. So as an overview, there's three pieces: the planets, squirrel, and acorn. So the squirrel moves around under your control and under the influence of gravity, and the squirrel tries to shoot the planets with acorns, and you do that by hitting the N to make the acorn go left, or the M to make the acorn go to the right. And the object of the game is to hit all of the planets and turn them into other squirrels. So at the end, all of the planets should now be squirrels, and you'll have a bunch of squirrels orbiting around each other. And then my next slide is one of my favorite slides. It's a very, I really like this slide. Oh, sorry, not that one. Okay, so my next slide is an overview of the code. So there's three classes. The two default classes that everyone had to have was nBody and body. So those are my nBody extreme and body extreme. And of course, there are changes so that I could adjust. And my third class is Acorn Extreme. And the Acorn Extreme class has two methods, update and draw. So the update one is it finds a new position after a given time interval dt. So as you know, probably know that the change in position is going to be equal to velocity times change in time. So they'll just update the position, and it will change its position. And the draw, of course, it will output the image in like a display console. So the characteristics is the squirrels move at constant velocity. So unlike the planets, the acorn is not under the influence of gravity. So this makes it easier. So once you shoot an acorn, it will just move in one direction, so it'll be a little bit easier. And the instance variables of the acorn class is the direction of the acorn, either left or right, and that's shown by either 1 or a -1, and then the location, which is a coordinate, or an x and y coordinate. And now I can show you my demo. Oops, sorry, you weren't supposed to see that page. Okay, so now I'll show you a quick demo of my project, and of course I might not be good at this game because I just made it. So as you can see, there's everything's orbiting around the sun because the sun has a ton of mass compared to everything else. So and even the squirrel is just like any other planet, except as you can see now, I can move it using the A, S, D, and W keys. So I can move it up, left, right, and I can shoot acorns, and I'll just try to hit some planets. So right now I'm kind of bad at it. There we go, I hit 1. Now let's try to hit some more. Darn it, missed. Oh, there we go, I got 2, 3, 4. So now I only have 1 left. It's a little bit hard to move it because I'm not used to like this kind of thing. Oops, wrong one. There we go. So now you can see that I've just won, but you can also obviously compete against yourself and see how fast you can do this. So now everything is squirrels and they're all just orbiting around. So thank you, and I hope you enjoyed my video.